perched on the Utah mountains. Here I will do my dirty job of setting up a beautiful wedding in the middle of nowhere. Welcome back to the channel. David Rents Things. Thank you for coming back to another video. We're in the beautiful middle of nowhere, Zion, Utah, getting ready to set up an intimate wedding for 36 guests, overlooking this incredible view where you can almost feel like you're shooting a Western. So one of the challenges about this project is the remote area. We're in the middle of Zion on a family ranch here in the state of Utah. Because of the remote area, we were unable to visit the location to do a site walkthrough, especially when it came to our flooring. We got a couple of videos from the venue rep. We got a couple of satellite images. However, to our surprise, the grounds were completely unlevel. There's a lot of peaks and valleys here just throughout the entire area. It took us about an hour to find a somewhat leveled area so we can go ahead and have our reception space. But I'm completely happy on the area that we've selected. Our guests will be enjoying dinner overlooking this incredible mountain here to my left. As they walk out to the after party, they'll be able to have the view here just to my right. All in all, it's a beautiful area. I cannot wait to see this come to fruition. So please stay tuned until the very end to see how we take this incredible remote area and transform it to an extraordinary wedding built from the ground up. So let's go. So part of this wedding, it involves two separate locations. Welcome party and rehearsal dinner is going to be held at Under Canvas in Zion, about 20 minutes away from where we currently are. And then reception is going to be held here at the Wright Family Ranch. So the truck behind me is all completed. We are done with the floor. So that truck is going to head out and drop off a small order for the welcome party. And then they'll come back and we're going to finish out the flooring, add a small little ramp, and then start carpeting this while we start dressing up our tent here just to my right. A very time-consuming, labor-intensive process. Just really going back and forth, running my strands through. Not really a fan of how it's looking right now with this bigger gap, so I'm going to fill it in, and then we're going to start adding our chandeliers, add our clear top to it, drapery, a couple other little things, and we should be ready to rock and roll. All chairs and tables are going to go underneath it. We're going to set up a catering tent about 50 feet away from this main area. Time for a little afternoon siesta. Carpet is down, nice and plush, velvety white. We have to wrap up the left and the right wing of this platform. After that, we'll be ready to mount our reception structure on top of this, one step closer to the finished product. That's it for today. Day one completed. We accomplished what we said we were going to do. Now it's time to get out of here before the sun sets and it becomes pitch black out here. Team did an incredible job. Well, for now, it's time to go get some rest and get some food, take a nice cold shower, and do it all again tomorrow. All right, we're here at another beautiful area under Canvas Zion, getting ready to set up for our rehearsal dinner later tonight. It's an absolutely beautiful, stunning property with amazing views, and I cannot wait to show you what we have in store for the rehearsal dinner. Stay tuned. All right, so we're wrapping up our rehearsal area space. Nothing too crazy in terms of logistics and install, but it's all done very, very beautifully. We're using a lot of natural wood hues to kind of blend into the Utah desert. We're gonna spend another 5 minutes here just doing a couple little minor details, making sure that everything's nice and powered up. Then we're gonna head to the other area where we were yesterday. We'll spend the remaining of the day, finish out the final little details for tomorrow's wedding day. What a view. I'm gonna really miss him. But what I'm going to really miss the most is this. Light drapery, twinkle light ceiling, and these beautiful gold accent chandeliers that make the Utah sky pop. Let me know down in the comment section down below what your favorite part about this build that was. For me, it was the scenery and just building a dream wedding from the ground up in the middle of nowhere. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for your time. You know, I truly appreciate your support. Please consider subscribing, liking the video. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok over here to see more of this beautiful wedding and other events that we have coming up. And until then, we'll see you on the next one.